How to lose weight and gain muscle in 30 days. There are tons of reasons to work out, and one of the most important ones is to improve one's health. The rest, like gaining muscles and making yourself look and feel better, is just bonus points. Many people these days have set their minds to accomplish several goals at once, and fortunately they typically go hand in hand. However, losing fat and gaining muscle, it can be a struggle. That's because when you want to lose weight, it means you're getting rid of some of your body's mass. Meanwhile, when you want to gain muscles, you need to do the opposite and build up your body. No wonder people are confused, huh? Well, surprise, you can truly add muscle mass and lose weight all at the same time in 30 days. To start, you need to follow some tips, like reducing calorie intake for your weight loss goal and eat more carbs for muscle building. And we will be delving more on those next, so keep watching. I know it feels all so contradictory, but trust me, it'll make sense as the video progresses. The takeaway? You will be focusing on both goals, but not at the same time. This means you will be alternating between reduced calorie fat loss training and higher calorie mass-oriented training. Weight loss. Instruction. For 5 days, you will target your training and nutrition towards fat loss. Afterward, your metabolism will get accustomed to the program. Number 1. Reduce calories. Cutting back your caloric intake promotes fat burning. Number 2. Reduce rest periods. Lessen the rest period between sets in your weight training to boost your metabolism and workload intensity. Number 3. Increase training volume. Perform more sets for each body part. Number 4. Don't over-exercise. Don't push yourself to muscular failure as it can be too stressful to your muscles. Number 5. Include HIIT. Incorporate cardio training, ideally HIIT, for better results and to achieve a metabolism boost. Number 6. Follow a low-carb diet. A low-carb diet will maximize your efforts. It's also especially helpful when you switch to building your muscles. Muscle building. Instruction. For the next 5 days, you will be aiming your training and nutrition on muscle building. Afterward, your metabolism will be cranking along, gladly developing muscle. Number 1. Increase calorie and protein intake. Promote gains in muscle mass by increasing your caloric and protein intake. Number 2. Increase rest periods. Increase rest periods in between sets for more recovery time and to increase the strength in your sets. Number 3. Decrease training volume. Perform lesser sets but with greater intensity. This is the time where you can push your muscles to the limit. Number 4. Remove cardio. Don't do any cardio training to maximize muscle gain, as this will only burn calories that are crucial for the muscle building process. Number 5. Eat lots of carbs. Unlike the fat loss program, this time you need more carbs to get the energy you need and promote insulin release. Insulin helps shuttle protein and other nutrients into the muscles, which will help with building. Number 6. Eat quality foods. Eating a lot is important, but make sure to eat healthily. No junk foods. Quality foods are what you need to gain much muscle without adding too much fat. Switching for 30 days. Since your body is used to having more food and your metabolism is still working fast, switching to fat loss training at this time will immediately result in your body burning far more fat than if you were using a conventional fat loss program. In a month or 30 days, complete 3 rounds of this training. Do you think you can do it? Sure you can. Let us know what you think about this video. Just comment below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.